Yeah, I'm very happy that we managed to win the case with the costs even. So it's a stepping stone to NUP. Our supporters, they have been angry that this case may defeat us, but it's very, we are very happy that we managed to win the case, and it's a stepping stone to our struggle. So we are going to continue with the struggle. We are going to continue with mobilizing the masses to support Honorable Kyagulanyi Sentamu without fear or favor. Because any fear that because our brother Comrade Kibalama has been in the hands of the dictator, so we had the fear that anything can happen. But because of people power, we managed to win this case. But our fear, because our comrade has been under the detention, under illegal detention, and has been commanded by the dictator. But due to people power, we managed to win this case. As national our next plan is to nominate our flag bearer. That's none other than Honorable Kyagulanyi Sentamu as the next president of Uganda, and to mobilize the masses to support Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu as the next president of Uganda, because many people have been in fear, much fear, that anything can happen. But now it's already declared that NUP, it's a legal entity. There's no doubt that we can go on and campaigning for our flag bearer, Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Even we as NUP flag bearers, or member of parliament, we have been in fear. They have been intimidating us. Now, after voting you, the party is going to be declared not illegal. So we've been in much fear. But now we are very happy, and we are going to now start mobilizing the masses to support Honorable Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Now village to village mobilization is going to continue, because I myself, though I want to be a member of parliament, but I've been working hand in hand so that I mobilized for my president, that's none other than Honorable Kyagulanyi Sentamu. So we are happy, and we are more than happy even. Thank you.